The 2026 Scania XL Motorhome Truck is here to redefine the meaning of travel and comfort on the road, and in this video from Engine Plus, we are taking you on an exclusive tour of this stunning masterpiece. Built for adventure, luxury, and unmatched performance, the Scania XL blends the rugged capabilities of a heavy-duty truck with the sophistication of a high-end home on wheels. From the outside, its commanding presence is undeniable, with a sleek aerodynamic design, bold grille, and integrated LED lighting that makes it stand out whether you're cruising through city streets or parked in the heart of nature. The extended wheelbase and carefully engineered suspension ensure not just stability, but also an incredibly smooth ride, no matter the terrain. Step inside and you're immediately welcomed into a world of elegance. The living space is designed with premium materials, soft leather seating, real wood finishes, and modern lighting accents create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. The open-plan layout offers a spacious lounge area, a fully equipped kitchen with the latest appliances, and a dining space that can comfortably seat the whole family. Large panoramic windows not only fill the interior with natural light but also connect you to the beautiful landscapes outside. The bedroom is a true retreat, featuring a king-size bed, high-quality mattress, and smart storage solutions to keep everything organized during your travels. The bathroom rivals those found in upscale hotels, with a walk-in shower, modern fixtures, and ample space for comfort. Every inch of the Scania XL has been thoughtfully designed to maximize both style and functionality. When it comes to technology, this motorhome is a marvel. The integrated smart control system allows you to manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security all from a single touchscreen or even your smartphone. Solar panels and an advanced battery system keep you powered off-grid, giving you the freedom to travel without limits. Under the hood, the 2026 Scania XL packs a powerful, fuel-efficient engine designed to handle long-distance travel with ease, while advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system ensure you're always in control. Whether you're navigating winding mountain roads or open highways, the Scania XL delivers performance you can trust. This is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. The 2026 Scania XL Motorhome Truck offers the perfect balance between exploration and comfort, allowing you to see the world without leaving behind the luxuries of home. From weekend getaways to cross-country adventures, it's ready to take you there in unmatched style. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more incredible vehicles like this, make sure to subscribe to Engine Plus, hit the like button, and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. The road is calling. Are you ready to answer it with the Scania XL?